folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today we are going to be doing some baking in the Nordica Rosetta BII. So this is going to be the Liberty series shown in the Pergamena cream color, and I've done some other baking videos in the past on the Nordica stoves, and I kind of always say that they burn really hot, which is definitely true. So I'm going to basically, I've only started this with the kindling fire, so you can see a little bit of flame, but I have not actually thrown in like a full cordwood piece of wood. And the reason for that is because I'm going to be baking a pie for you guys tonight. I burnt my last one, so I'm hoping to do a little bit better this time. And the thing about the Nordica stoves is, like, literally they burn so hot. So right now I don't even have my oven damper activated, and I'm actually just burning very small fire because my pie bakes at, I believe, 400 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and check my oven temperature right now with my small fire. So I'm at 315 on the back. I'm at 400 on the side. I am at 380 on the firebox side, which is interesting. So this side is actually a little bit hotter on the oven than the firebox side. And then the bottom of my oven is about 310 degrees. So I'm gonna kick up this fire. I actually just loaded a little bit more kindling. I'll probably give it about 5 minutes to get up to my 400 degree temperature, and then I will show you guys my pie. Today I will be doing a cherry pie with a, what is it called? Strudel finish, I believe, the little crumble top. So we'll get you that pie up here shortly. Alright, so I want to show you guys my pie. Today I'm making a cherry pie. Woo. Trying not to lose my foil. So this is different. If you guys watch my videos and you saw like my pie video in the Elmira, yeah, that was a sad day because I really burnt it. And some people have some comments like, hey, put tin foil on it. So thank you for that. This is going to be my second attempt at a pie in the Nordica, which again I say burns hot. You can hardly see the flame because I just dampered this down, like literally those 10 minutes where I was like, oh, the oven's not quite hot enough. Oh yeah, now it's like just a little bit too hot. So I'm waiting for it to cool down a little bit, getting this fire to die. You know, if you need to cool it down, actually, I should open up this oven door for just a few minutes. That's a good way to get the temperature to drop. So I'm literally just about like 30 degrees below temperature right now. So once I hit that, which actually I'm probably just about there, then I will go ahead and put my pie in the oven, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. Alright, pie is in the oven. It is set to bake for 40 minutes, so I will keep you guys updated through the process and show you the baking. Okay, my pie's getting done. So again, these handles get really hot. We're going to pull this out, so... Ooh, wow. Oh wow, I didn't even burn it. Okay. Here I have my cherry pie and my strudel that I have to put on the top. So I'm gonna bring this over. And this is gonna go on the top. And then I will put it back in the oven, I think for about 10 minutes. But this is about the level of my fire to bake a pie in a Nordica, just an FYI. If you have a good hot fire going, you will fry your pie. So just keep that in mind. Any kind of lower temperature pies, breads, cakes. So, if you guys find this video helpful, you know, we really try and educate our customers and provide as much information to you guys as possible. So we work really hard to provide free information. If you guys do appreciate that, I would appreciate if you guys could just give me a little thumbs up there. Liking my videos really helps me out. If you click subscribe in the corner of the channel, that helps me out tremendously. I love it if you guys share my content with a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.